Hello. Is this your first time in this library?
Yes, it is. I signed up today.
Welcome. Do you need any help?
Thank you. I am looking for the study desks.
They are over there near the window.
Oh, I see them now.
Do you also want the quiet reading room?
Yes, please. Where is it?
It is next to the reference section.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
This library is bigger than I thought.
Yes, it has many floors.
I want to find a history book first.
The history books are upstairs.
Upstairs? Okay.
There are also maps and old newspapers there.
That sounds good. Do you come to the library often?
No, not really. I am just starting.
That is okay. Everyone starts somewhere.
I feel a little nervous.
Do not worry. People here are quiet and friendly.
That is nice to hear.
If you need help, you can ask the librarian.
Is the librarian here now?
Yes, near the front desk.
Good. Do you want to study for a long time today?
No, maybe just 30 minutes.
That is a good start.
I think so too.
After that, you can read a magazine.
Yes, I should do that.
It helps you relax.
Thank you for the advice.
No problem. Do I need a library card?
Yes, it is a good idea.
I brought mine with me.
Perfect. I also have my notebook.
Great. That is important too.
I want to come here 3 times a week.
That sounds like a good plan.
I hope I can do it.
I think you can. You are very kind.
You are welcome. I will go to the history section now.
All right. Have a good study time.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Excuse me, is this seat free?
Yes, it is. Please sit down.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Does this bus go to the museum?
Yes, it does. I am going there too.
Oh, good. I was worried I took the wrong bus.
No, this is the right one. It is bus number 12.
How long does it take to get there?
About 20 minutes, maybe 25 with traffic.
That is not too bad.
Yes, but in rush hour, it can take 40 minutes.
I will remember that for next time.
Where do you want to go exactly?
I am going to the Big Art Museum.
Yes, I know that one.
Is it near a bus stop?
The bus stops right in front of it.
Perfect. That is very easy.
It is about 5 stops from here.
Should I press the stop button?
Yes, press it before your stop.
I will watch carefully.
I can tell you when we are close.
That would be very helpful. Thank you.
Do you take the bus often?
Not really. I usually walk.
The bus is cheaper and less tiring.
You are right. There are no parking problems either.
Exactly. I sold my car last year.
Wow, that is a big change.
It was the best decision for me.
Maybe I should take the bus more.
Oh, our stop is coming soon. 2 more stops.
Already? That was fast.
See? Sometimes it is faster than driving.
Thank you for all your help today.
My pleasure. Enjoy the museum. Hi there. Welcome to Station Cafe.
Hello. This place looks very cozy.
Thank you. Is this your first time here?
Yes, a colleague told me about it.
That's nice. Please sit anywhere.
Can I sit by the window?
Of course. It has a nice view of the tracks.
Thank you. Can I see the menu?
Here you go. Take your time.
What tea is most popular?
Our chai latte is the most popular.
Is it very sweet?
It is medium sweet, but we can change it.
Can I have it less sweet?
Of course. Half sweet?
Yes, that is perfect.
Hot or iced?
Hot, please. It is cold outside.
Would you like something to eat?
What do you suggest?
Our scones are fresh. We made them this morning.
What kinds do you have?
Plain, blueberry, and cheese.
I will try the blueberry scone.
Good choice. Anything else?
Do you have cookies?
Yes, chocolate chip, oatmeal, and shortbread.
The oatmeal cookie looks good.
It is homemade and very soft.
I will take one oatmeal cookie too.
So, 1 hot chai latte, less sweet.
Yes, that's right. 1 blueberry scone and 1 oatmeal cookie.
Okay, your total is $12.50.
Can I pay by card?
Of course. Please tap or insert here.
Done!
Thank you. Your order will be ready in about 5 minutes.
Perfect! I will watch the trains while I wait.
The Wi-Fi password is on the sugar table if you need it.
Great! Thank you very much! Welcome! Can I help you find something?
Yes, I am looking for packing tape.
What is the occasion?
I need to send a package to my sister.
That's nice! Is it a gift?
Yes, her birthday is next week.
I see. What size box do you need?
Something medium, not too big.
We have boxes over there by the wall. They are strong.
What do you suggest for fragile items?
Bubble wrap is best. We sell it by the meter.
That sounds good. I don't want anything to break.
What are you sending?
A ceramic bowl and some candles.
Let me show you some packing options.
Thank you. You are very helpful.
Here is a medium box and some bubble wrap.
I like it. It is not too expensive.
It is strong and good for shipping.
Can I see the mailing labels?
Of course! They are near the scale.
Thank you.
Let me know if you need a different size.
I am back. What do you think about this box?
It looks perfect for your items.
Really? It is not too tight?
No, it fits well and is very safe.
I feel better about sending this now.
That is important for a birthday gift.
Do you have matching tape?
Yes, we have strong tape here.
Is it strong enough? I need it to hold well.
Yes, it is very strong.
Perfect. I will take the box, wrap, tape, and labels.
Great choice. Would you like a pen?
Yes, please. How much is everything?
The box is $4, the wrap is $3, the tape is $5, and the labels are $2.
So, $14 total?
Yes. Good luck with your package.
Thank you very much for your help. Are you free for lunch today?
Yes, I am. Why?
I thought we could eat together.
That sounds nice. There is a good taco truck near the park.
Oh, I know that place. Have you been there before?
Yes, once or twice. Do you like it?
Yes, the food is simple and good.
Great. What time do you want to go?
Maybe at 12:30.
That works for me.
Perfect. Do you want to stand or sit?
Let's sit on the grass if the weather is nice.
I like that idea. Me too.
What do you usually order there?
I usually get 3 tacos and rice.
That sounds good. What about you?
I like the burrito bowl. Maybe I will try it today.
It is very tasty. Good choice.
Do you often bring lunch from home?
Sometimes, but not today.
Same for me. It is nice to go out sometimes.
Yes, it makes the day better.
Have you had a busy morning?
Yes, very busy.
Me too.
Then lunch will be a good break.
I agree.
Should we meet at the park entrance?
Yes, that is easy.
Okay, at 12:30 by the big tree.
Perfect. Do we need to order before?
I don't think so.
Good. The truck is not very busy at that time.
That's nice. I am excited for tacos now.
Me too. See you at 12:30.
See you then. Have a nice morning.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Do you want to look at books with me this afternoon?
Yes, that sounds good. What do you want to buy?
I need a new novel for my vacation.
Hey, anything else?
Maybe a travel guide too.
Then we should go to the big bookstore downtown.
Yes, I was thinking the same. It has many good sections.
And it is not far from here.
No, only 10 minutes on foot.
Perfect. What time do you want to go?
Maybe at 3:00.
3:00 is good for me.
Do you also want to drink tea there?
Yes, that would be nice. There is a cafe on the second floor.
Oh, I like that cafe.
Me too.
I do not like shopping alone.
I understand. It is more fun together.
Yes, and you give good advice.
Thank you. I will try to help.
I need honest advice today.
Okay, I will be honest.
What kind of books do you want?
Something easy and fun for the beach.
That sounds nice. Not too long, right?
Yes, not too long.
We can check the sale table.
Good idea.
Do you want to buy anything else?
Maybe a cookbook.
Then we can go to the food section too.
Perfect. I need a notebook as well.
Great! We both have things to buy.
Should I bring my own bag?
Yes, that is a good idea. I will bring one too.
I am happy you can come with me.
Me too.
It will be a nice afternoon.
Yes. See you at 3:00.
See you at 3:00. Have a good lunch.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.